Hello, this is my fridge at home, and what am I gonna do today? Bored at home, so trying an experiment. You will see soon. Cleared some space on the fridge. What do you think is gonna happen? Well, we're going to put some iPad Pros right on the fridge. Strip away the iPad from its cover and voila! It sticks. I tell you, it's really cool. Check that out, the iPad Pro. 12.9-inch screen all there, and on this side I shall stick another iPad Pro, also large screen one with the Straits Times from today. So you can see the date. We are in phase 2 Heightened Alert. Stay home, stay safe. Now my fridge looks augmented. You can watch movies on the right and read the news from the left. Isn't cool? And the iPad Pro sticks on it very tightly. It doesn't seem to come off. Very tight, very safe. Well done, iPad. Stay safe, everybody. Goodbye.